Hello guys, welcome back here with the Lenovo Tab M10, and today I'll show you how to insert a SIM and SD card into the device. To get started, we'll need this eject tool. It comes provided with the device in the box, or you can always use a paperclip and straighten out one of the ends. From there, you want to pop out the tray, which is located under the power key. As you can see, push the pin in and it will pop out. From here you have space for the SD card and also the SIM card. Place them accordingly and, while holding them securely so they don't fall out, insert the tray back. There we go, and you will see right now there's the prompt for the SIM card, so let's confirm that. Obviously the SIM card is working and there's the SD card, so both of them are working. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.